Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
On the behalf of AERODREAMS students, I would like to thank you first of all for your guidance, support, love and affection you have given to us. And also I would like to take the privilege to welcome you for the drawing exhibition and hope you would like it, sir. Please
I'm
welcome.
looking forward for it. I'm very excited for it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Came out of their emotions and expressions through these paintings were amazing. Very nice. The purpose of such kind of an activity is, at the time, students are not good in communication. At the time, they are not comfortable to come out. But with these kind of things, what we try to make is to analyze your creative part. Internally, how creative you are. अगर आप इतने creative हो, तो यानी आपके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ तो talent है, कुछ ना कुछ skills हैं. अगर आप उसके ऊपर और enhancement करोगे तो आप अपनी communication personality, ये inner creativity है. Take this inner creativity और ये external appearance में भी आ जाएगा तो job has been done.
Right, because this kind of creativity basically also shows your calm attitude, your focus,
Your imagination.
focus, everything is required.
Yes, absolutely. Wonderful. Very good, very good.